Mr. Burkett, you guys had a great year this year at Tuskegee. Tell me exactly what your next plans are definitely going to be when you leave Tuskegee.
My first plans after I leave Tuskegee is to get invited to a Senior Bowl game. That's my first step in my process of making it to the next level. Of course, it's a process to make it to the next level, but my first step out of Tuskegee is to make it into a Senior Bowl game.
So actually, I know you're training and working out and other things are definitely progressing. How are you definitely trying to put yourself that other people get a chance to see exactly what you're definitely doing?
Basically about working hard, definitely working hard in the weight room and also on the field and just doing different drills and different things like that. And I feel like just get myself out there if I were to put it on the internet in some type of way.
Okay. Several years ago, you had great numbers. You was at Alabama State, then you did a transfer to Tuskegee. How was that transition that you left from there and actually came to a D2 school? How did that definitely help perform you to be the man who you are today?
It definitely, it humbled me in a big way, in a major way, and it also brought me back to reality that it doesn't matter where you are, you have to work just as hard. And Tuskegee is definitely a place that you're gonna have to come in and work and fight for a position and fight to get on the field and work. So I feel like it was a positive in my life that I actually ended up at Tuskegee.
Young men and young kids are definitely implementing and trying to follow in your footsteps. What type of words and wisdom would you give to that individual watching this interview with you right now?
Stay humble, and through your down times, just look up to God. You know, God will always be there to lead you through. If He bring you to a tough situation, just trust in Him to bring you through that situation.
If we did a movie or a book about you, what would the title of that movie or that book would be?
Redemption.